Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So after seeing the chart, what do you think? Is there any opportunity to get in this chart? So let us find out that in the technical analysis. So you can see I'm in 30-minute chart, and I'm talking about this cryptocurrency, that is BREV coin or BREV coin. And let us draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, so you can see continuously the candles falling in this downtrend channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are falling continuously. So previously you can see candles are falling. After touching the support, the candles went up again, the fall happened, then continuously the candles were falling. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the resistance trend line. Okay, let me draw the support first. This is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were falling, and then you can see the breakout has happened. So candles are started moving in a upward direction. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up, so it may go to the resistance level. So after this candles went to the resistance level, you can see the fall is happening. So candles may come down to the support, and after the breakout it may go up. Okay, so like this it may move, and in case if there is a breakout happens, it may move like this, or else and the candles may come down to the next support level, so which is over here, and then candles may start moving in a upward direction. So the resistance over here is around 0.39946, and if the breakout happens from here, it may start moving in a upward direction. So if you go to 15-minute chart also, you can see continuously the candles are falling. Okay, and if you draw the trend line here, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so you can see that within this channel pattern only the fall is happening, and now it is the candles have given little breakout, so little sideways it may move. If there is a breakout happens from this sideways channel pattern, then candles may move up, or else it will move little sideways. Okay, you can see this. I'm in 15 chart for okay, and you can see there is a sideways movement is going on. If there is a breakout happen, it may go up, and then fall may take place. Okay, so you can see that RSI is also in the overbought zone. So anytime the reversal may take place, candles may come down, and then after the reversal here, then you may see a breakout and candles may start moving in a upward direction towards the resistance level. Okay, so you can see very clearly how these candles are moving. Now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see that current price is $0.3903. It is down by 22%, and rank is around 276. Around 2k users have fallen this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $97.6 million, and the volume in 24 hours is $40.39 million. It is down by 48%. Total supply, you can see it is 1 billion BREV coin, and holder you can see around 21.52k holders are for this cryptocurrency. Maximum supply is 1 billion, and circulating supply is 250 million BREV coins. So you can see very clearly how this these are the details for this cryptocurrency. Now we'll go to the chart. So if you go to the 45-minute chart, you can see if there is a breakout happens, it may go like this, or else in this channel pattern, in this sideways channel pattern it may move, or else it will come down support, and then it may go up. So previously also you can see candles were falling continuously, and after the breakout it has gone up. Okay, gone to the resistance level, and then continuously fall is happening, and it has already given a breakout, so candles will move in this sideways channel pattern. Okay, until the resistance level here, and if there is a breakout, it will go in this sideways, or else it will fall to support, and then it may continue in this downtrend channel pattern itself. Okay, so you can see that very clearly. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.